Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have got so much planned over the next week, so I thought I would take you along with me. Everything's going to be Christmas themed for this one video, so stay tuned. We are in central London today, exploring some of the main shops which have Christmas displays.
And we are currently now in Mayfair, the famous New Bond Street.
This is absolutely the most beautiful lingerie store that I've seen. Everything's made of gold inside. This big Santa, which, okay, it's not that big. It costs £175. This is Christmas green tea. Susan, try it. How is it?
I wouldn't buy it.
No? Shh, we're right behind him. Oh my lord. £130 chocolate. This one's £290. Oh wow. I can literally do like an arm exercise, a workout with this. It's so heavy. Okay, so it's 2.2 kg. Is it worth the price tag though?
This is heavy.
Is it worth it? These little mini chocolates, £9. They look delicious though. This is Annabelle's. It is a private members club in London. So you're gonna grab a bite. They have the best cake selection here. We're currently in Ellen Cafe, about to grab some brunch. We are at our final stop, and that is
Regent Street.
this poor bus has been stuck here for the last 10 minutes because this car has stopped its way. He does actually have space.
He does have space. He does.
Yeah. Like literally the traffic goes all the way down. My suggestion was to move this, like lift it and slide it. And Susan's making fun of me. Because why?
Because of the Friends episode with Ross, remember?
Lift and slide.
Lift
and slide. Oh wow, this is how cars are now passing.
Everyone's coming by.
Everyone's going around.
This is our
Oh god. Yeah, this is our drama. We clearly have nothing better to do than to watch. What is there? Homes to get to. No, this is more interesting. It's a rainy day in London and we have decided to hire an igloo and go on the water. What a bad day to pick, right?
Photo. Oh, yeah. Nothing like
with a little bit of a twist. It's actually Christmas themed, so let's go. You all set you what? I literally thought this as well. I absolutely love the floors here. It's so green and light. Thank you. So this is where the chopsticks go on. These are known for being stolen, so under it says stolen from Ivy Asia. What did you get? What did you get? Okay, so the verdict. The sushi and the savory stuff were a little bit bland, but the desserts were really nice, so I would recommend. So I'm currently in Selfridges, which is one of the department stores in London. They got a Christmas show going on, so let's go check it out. We're now going to Winter Wonderland. This place is a theme park specifically for the Christmas period. It's full of rides and loads of food stalls. So yeah, this place is a lot of fun. White and festive.
You are my fire, the one.
I'm literally shivering because I'm so scared. You have to get out. Whoa! Sister میترسم. This bar is a rotating bar. It moves, but very slowly. Like you won't get sick or anything. Like that ride I just went on. It's very nice, huh?
Yeah, it's yummy. I do love churros though. Fresh churros, always good. Always.
fondue. God, these Dubai chocolates are absolutely everywhere. I really need to try them. So we've left Winter Wonderland and we're now in Knightsbridge and we're going to get some hot chocolates. This is Harrods. We've decided to come to Ellen Cafe because they do some really nice hot chocolate drinks. I need to write Santa a letter and post it in here. Hi guys, I am currently in Westfield. For those of you who don't know where that is the biggest mall in Europe, I think. I'm here to do some shopping. So I have been invited to one of my friends' houses for Secret Santa, so I have to buy a little something for someone. Luckily, everyone wrote a wish list, so I know exactly what she wants. I just don't know which scent to get her. It's actually the lead up to Christmas, so this place is busier than usual. It's normally so quiet on a weekday, but right now, like, every single shop has been so packed. Desserts look so good. Oh, these are knitted flowers. That's so cute. This is the Christmas tree. Outside the mall, they have ice skating rings, so we thought, what a fun way to end the night. Matchy matchy. We've got our skating boots on and we're about to hit the ice, but honestly, it's been so many years since I skated, I can't even remember how to do it. Everyone's patiently waiting for the doors to open. Oh, here we go. Are you ready?
No, I'm kind of scared.
Everyone's holding on to the bars. I think they've forgotten too, or they don't know how to skate. I am going so slow because I'm still so scared. Literally just saw a poor guy like whack his face on ice. It's actually so dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Sure, these are blood stains. My God, it's so dangerous. Go, Susan, go! Hello from a gloomy London. I have just got to my best friend's house for her gathering. I got the little Secret Santa gift. Hello? Hello? Oh, it smells so good in here. Oh my God, she's made these little cute reindeers. They're so cute. And this is her table set up for now. Let's see what it looks like later. So we are about to make
A charcuterie
Charcuterie.
Christmas tree. I mean Christmas. Charcuterie Christmas tree.
So we've got sliced beef salami,
A mixture of cheddar and red Leicester, pickled onions, well, sweet onions, olives.
Oh, I think let's put the cheese first. So this is the cheese completed. Now we're gonna move on to the salami. Next up is the grapes.
This one's a paper one because I didn't have a star cutter to do a star cheese, so paper star it is.
Bum bum
Dun.
dum.
Ta-da!
This is the final touch. This is the wreath. This is the tree we just made. Oh no, we lost the reindeer.
Down again, he's hurt.
Do you know what? Maybe he should just lay there.
He should. Do you know what? Again, they don't stay for long.
Oh no, his ear's off as well. Oh no!
You have to go to the hospital now. Come. Dr. Susie.
What we're gonna do?
Okay, I'm saying guess who then. Okay,
That's
you do
my
let's do
ring.
guess who first.
Becoming
Okay, let's do guess who.
Guess who? Okay.
Are you doing the person, right? And we have to guess. We're all together.
Are you a actor?
No.
Are you someone famous in general?
Yes.
Okay, male, not an actor, not a sports person. And what else did we ask?
Not a singer.
And not a singer.
I'm not a politician or anything.
I'm not a
like that.
politician. So maybe a fashion designer.
Is it Christmas related?
No.
Oh my God! It's Walt Disney. Yeah.
We're playing Christmas bingo.
Can everyone see now?
Let's see who wins.
Tree.
Christmas tree. Okay.
I've colored it in green. Because obviously I didn't have a printer.
That's what we do. Just
So yeah.
across it.
You just won. Let's see what the present is. What's the present? What's the present? Do I need to focus more on this game? Oh, I'm so far away. Far away.
Who do you think is her secret? Like, who do you think she picked?
You're like, oh, what are you talking about? You don't.
We are about to design a mug.
Oh, it depends. What do you like?
It's my Santa
Fine,
Claus.
if you're 5 minutes late now, it's not a big deal.
This evening I have come to Covent Garden. This is basically a famous market with a lot of little stalls. A lot of them are independent, but sadly they're now closed. Right now it's got the Christmas thing going on, so let's go check it out.
This way before.
Creamy. We've both got a different vibe going on for the night. I'm more Christmassy and Susan.
And I'm more Gatsby, but it is a London Cabaret Christmas Gatsby theme.
Ooh.